beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, join us as we explore Zocalo, one of Mexico's neighborhood.
Wow, it's amazing how they actually preserve their cathedrals and everything. Hi, Duke.
Zocalo is the ideal starting point for a day of sightseeing here in Mexico City. The square is surrounded by various attractions such as the Cathedral Metropolitana and Palacio Nacional. In this enormous square is where the residents gather for cultural activities, celebrations, and demonstrations. And one that catches our eye is these Aztec dancers. Donning with colorful feather headdresses, they perform an authentic dance from the Aztec period.
Please support the local performers by giving donation, and small donation will go a long way. The street performers are doing their best and putting so much effort just to showcase their culture, and actually this is a pretty good show.
While walking around, we stumbled upon a traditional healing ceremony taking place outside of Palacio Nacional.
They use a new plant every time because it's already like contaminated.
For you to be able to go through this cleansing, you just need to fall in line and wait for your turn. And yeah, it's fun to learn new culture and maybe trying it out. There's nothing wrong with it. You're here for the experience, right?
The shaman proceeded to rub herbs around Zeph's entire body, and as he was doing so, he held a large cup full of smoke in his hands, and he blew towards Zeph. We would later find out that the rubbing of herbs signified evil and hostile forces being expelled from Zeph's body, as his spirit was provided with strength.
No sé, ustedes que cambien el dinero.
So how do you feel?
Cleansed. I was dirty.
Then you need to give donation.
Thank you for watching. That's it for now. Till next time.